do you do when you can't go hiking? Well, the answer may be to bring nature to yourself. Put a bird feeder in your backyard. Build a little sanctuary, have some perches, and just sit out and watch. Birds are funny. They have a story to tell. This little guy was sitting on top of the world, and he saw that he was actually sitting on top of my bird feeder. He saw a couple of other birds down below. He wanted to have some too. He jumps down where he can get to the seed, and his neighbor wasn't real happy to have him there. He began fussing with him. They began fussing with one another. And then pretty soon, they all settled in and enjoyed a noontime snack. So what do you do when you can't get out into nature? Bring nature to yourself.